Hi. So we're going to be updating this dress.
Let's get somewhat of a formal introduction. Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. This dress is completely shapeless and I'm going to be fixing it.
I want to show you a picture of inspo that I got, and that's when I saw this dress and I was like, I need it because I want this kind of flowery top.
Instrumental break. I saw this on Poshmark and I just wanted to share that I did purchase a secondhand with the intention of flipping it. So this closet was running a sale, which was 5 for 8. And so I put in 5 things. This was a total steal. They did mention in the listing that the dress liner was ripped, but I knew that I wanted to do that shirt with it because that was my inspo before I found this dress. Like I saw that first, saved it as inspo, and then found this dress during my search on Poshmark. This is not sponsored by Poshmark, contrary to what it might seem like, but Poshmark, I've been blabbing about you guys for years, so if you want to reach out to me, you're more than welcome to. Poshmark is like a huge thrift shop that's basically like completely, is it worldwide? I don't even know. I think it may just be in the United States, but it is huge, and small independent people who are either resellers or maybe they're just selling their own closet things, which is what I do. They're selling their stuff for, like, so cheap, and it's so easy to search. I know a lot of people like to go through, like, thrift store racks, which I do too, but, like, when you're shopping on Poshmark, it just feels like you're doing that. So, anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbing about them and get back to the video. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out. I have a coupon code down below for $10 off your first order. Use my coupon code. Okay, it's not sponsored. That's just a referral code that I have. Okay, bye.
But I don't like how shapeless it is, but I also do need a skirt. I need like a skirt to go under, and this is like double. So I'm going to use the bottom piece as like a skirt to like layer with. But I just want to show you what I'm thinking of turning this into a shirt and a skirt. So just put these pants on that are around my ankles right now and show you how cute this looks as an outfit. So already it's so cute, but I actually just need to separate it because I want to actually have it as a skirt and I want to have it as like a shirt and not like a dress. So I paired it with these pants because I was like, I want to see, these are pretty high-waisted. So I wanted to see like how much I can get away with. And so I know it's like right underneath the little flower thing is where I can go. So let's get to it.
Oh, hey, you. Fast forward months and months and months later, I have new hair and I have a tan, and I'm just going to savagely cut this shirt while it's on me. And I realized halfway through, so I'm filming through a mirror, that you can't even see exactly what I'm doing. So I had to go on my tippy toes. I am actually standing on something, but I am just cutting around where I want it to be. I decided to go way longer on this than I had originally thought. And that extra piece that I thought was going to be a skirt is not. I am keeping it, and I will definitely turn it into something, but it's not the skirt because I originally was cutting this thinking like I need some seam allowance. It's also completely crooked, but I was like, I need some seam allowance because I'm going to sew it back together, and the inner lining was completely ripped, and so I couldn't do anything with it. But on the listing, if you guys saw, I got this on Poshmark. On the listing, they did say that the inner lining was ripped, but I just felt like I'll fix it. But because of the material, I was like, I'm not going to sew this. Like, I'm just going to cut this longer than I need it to be, but enough that I can tuck it without it looking bunchy in my pants. And that's it. So that's literally this tutorial. This is not like, we're not doing anything else. I also don't even know where this dress is like originally from. I bought it secondhand. And like I said, I did not turn that bottom piece into anything yet, but I definitely will. So stay tuned. And then this is me trying it on, like I said, months and months and months later. My hair is completely different. I have highlights and I wear it naturally curly now. And my husband's playing Call of Duty in the background, but this is what it looks like. I wound up cutting out the entire liner because I don't have boobs, so it doesn't really matter. And you can't see through the front because of the flower pattern. And the back, I don't wear bras, so like it doesn't matter. You can see through it. And because the liner was ripped, it just looked so much better without having a ripped liner underneath it. So this is my upcycle, and I am going to show you guys this when I actually wore it out. I wore it out the weekend. So the next day after I did this, the next day I wore it out to the city. And you would think if I was going to have a wardrobe malfunction, it would be my top that I didn't even hem. It wasn't. It was actually my shoe.
So funny.
As soon as we parked in the city, I took 2 steps and my shoe fell apart, so we had to zip tie it together. So here's what my shoe is supposed to look like versus what it ended up looking like. And thankfully, my husband had zip ties and a strap in the car because we love to go hiking and camping. So we had all that stuff with us. So don't think that we're weird. But honestly, my shoes were just not in good shape. These were not purchased secondhand. These were purchased at like Marshall's, but I did go to Poshmark to replace a pair of basic black shoes. Hope you guys like this video. I love you so much. Bye.